Hey there, welcome back to Couture Crave. If you are new, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our cool fashion updates. Today we are talking about something every girl loves, shoulder bags. We have gathered a bunch of awesome, comfy and stylish bags just for you. We have note bags for all occasions, daily use, casual outings or even parties. They are light, soft and perfect for whatever you are up to. Watch the whole video because we have got lots of different styles and colors. You are getting ready to head out and you want a bag that is not just cool but also super comfy. That is where our shoulder bags come in. They are like stylish sidekick for all kinds of adventures. We have got bags for when you are chilling, bags for when you are out and about, and even fancy ones for when you wanna look extra special. And guess what? They are not heavy, they are like carrying a fluffy cloud on your shoulder. In this video, we are showing off lots of different ones, different shapes, different colors. It is like a rainbow of bags. Make sure you watch till the end because the best ones might just be waiting for you there. And they don't keep all this awesomeness to yourself. Share the video with your buddies so they can be in on the stylish secrets too. Tell us in the comments which bag you like the most. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Thanks for hanging out with us at Couture Crave.